Most people think no ground means unsafe, but that's not actually what protects you. If you're confused about GFCI versus ground, I'll show you how it works, how to wire it, and how to test it. But before you do anything, check your breaker first. A lot of circuits are already protected by a GFCI breaker. If your breaker has a test button, it's GFCI or dual function. Press that button. If the outlet shuts off, you're already protected. So you do not need to install a GFCI outlet too. It's redundant. A ground wire gives electricity a safe path back to the panel, which helps trip the breaker. But a GFC works differently. It monitors the currents, and if anything is off, it just shuts off instantly. That's why a GFCI can protect you even without a ground. But in my house, since I bought it, I've added new circuits with updated Romex with standard breakers, much cheaper. So instead of using a GFCI breaker, I install a GFCI outlet at the first outlet in the run. That way everything downstream is protected. Same protection, just a different way to do it. So when installing a GFCI outlet, this line versus load thing confuses a lot of people. Line is your power coming in from the panel, and your load is what sends your protection, everything downstream. If you only use the line terminals, only this outlet is protected. If you use the load terminals, everything after that is protected too. And I needed an outlet in my kitchen for my studio lights. Extension cords get messy. So here's my power coming in. I'm gonna shut it off. Always turn the power off before working on anything. Strip your wires about 3/4 of an inch. Connect your line wires here and your load wires here to protect everything downstream. Make sure your connections are tight and secure, and then turn the power back on. Test it with an outlet tester before you put everything back together. If it trips, you know it's not working. Okay, so here's our outlet right here. Let's test it now. It's got the green light on, just like that. Now let's test some outlets downstream. This is real time, no editing. We have a TV on right here so we can see that, just like that. This is all on the same circuit. From that circuit in there, I've ran it downstream into the office right here, and that's my master bedroom. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take an outlet tester just like this. Let's plug it in like that. Let's give it a go. Heard it. I heard that. Television's off. We love to see it. And now this green light should be off on our GFCI outlet. And there it is. Just like that. Looking good. Let's reset it. One last thing, we have GFCI protection on all of our circuits, but not all of my circuits are grounded, so we need to label those. And if you guys want to see how I ran wires through my house, click on this video right here, or here, or here.